Hello everyone, this is Lucy. Today I'm making churros. I'm going to boil 1 cup of water together with 3.5 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt. Let it boil all together, and once it's boiling, turn off the stove and add 1 cup of flour. And I'm going to mix the flour as fast as I can with the water. While I'm stirring the flour is cooling, and then I'm adding 1 egg. Mix everything together until it's a cohesive ball. I prepare a pastry bag with a 1 star tip, in which I'm going to place the mixture of the flour, and I'm placing only half. If you fill it up all the way to the top, it will be hard to press. So I'm squeezing out the churros onto a cookie sheet covered with parchment paper. And I'm frying the churros in about 2 cups of hot oil, vegetable oil, in medium-high temperature. Once the churros are golden brown, take them out of the oil and then sprinkle with a mixture of sugar and cinnamon. Serve the churros while they are warm, so they are crispy outside and soft inside. Remember, the ingredients and steps to take are in the description below this video. Come back to see me again, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon!